In this video, I will show you how to add payment method on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Roblox. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my account. So what you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this gear icon to open up this menu. Next, what you want to do is come and click onto settings. And from your settings page, you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and you should see an option here for payment methods. So just go ahead, give that a click. What it's going to do is take you to the payment method screen. As you can see, currently I've got some Roblox credit, but to go ahead and add a payment method, all you need to do from the screen is click the add button just over here. Now what it's going to do is open up a window like this where you can add your payment method. So what you need to do is enter your card details, so your card number, expiration date, and the security code. The cards that are accepted do vary from country to country, but it's going to tell you what cards are available to you. So for example, you can see for myself, you've got like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, American Express, as well as some other options. Now, once you've filled out your card details, you want to come down and enter a billing email and finally a billing address. And once you've filled in this form, just come down and press the save button at the bottom. And any purchases that you make on Roblox, so if you're purchasing Robux or something like that, they go into use that default payment method. So that is how to add a payment method on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.